AIRSOFTEK here. So last time I did a video on my Feyachi F11, so now I'm gonna talk about the remote switch mounting plate for it. So it looks like that. So you have M-lock mounting screws and hardware and all that stuff with the Allen key. So if you want to go with that, you need that plate. So basically, you just pop that open, and you not like that. How we do that? I think it's, yeah, you need to give it that way, I think. Yeah, this needs to go on top, so it's like so. Yeah, okay, right. I was trying to put that guy in there, so my bad. So yeah, I just put it under there, and I think that there's one side that fits better. Like so, and then you just put your M-lock screw in there, and your screw, and you just tighten it in. You have a place to hold your wire in there. So that's pretty good for the M-lock, but I'm just gonna show you how to mount it on a normal rail, because a lot of people don't have M-lock and all that stuff, so it is what it is. So yeah, again you have to put it through like so. Like that, and then put your wire in there. That's tight, bro. Okay. I know, that's a good thing, but you know. But when it's in there, you just have to slide it on your rail, and that's pretty much it. You know, that's plastic, so you know, not a big deal. I'm gonna grab my gun real quick. I'm gonna try to do that. Okay. So yeah, the mounting and all that is not really put together for. Because that was mounted in into my shotgun I used to. Yeah, I don't remember, but yeah, it was mounted on the side, and all the pressure switch and all that stuff. And also, you know, the M-lock rail works with the key mount, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna try to do that on camera, and there we go. You know, so that's not the big deal. Put that in. No, yeah. Flashlight in there. Yeah. So yeah, and if you want, you can do put a couple of rib ties in there just to tie it. You know, that's pretty much it. That was just, you know, really quick to show you, but that's not how I mount it on my gun. But you know, I don't have side rails and anything, so yeah, normally my flashlight would be on the side, you know, and like 45 pointing here, and that guy on top more forward. I like to hold my gun more at the end, but yeah. So that gives you an idea of how it is easy to mount them. And it's working great, so yeah. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And like I said, if you want to put the MLAT, you have the option, and also it also works on the keyboard. It's a little bit more annoying, you have to put those guys, straight into those guys, and then push it forward and then tight it, so they will turn and they will tight. They will, yeah, actually. So basically, those guys enter in there and went. So they are that way, and when you screw it, they turn that way. So they like into place, and you're good to go. So I put it in. Of course, it's designed for MLAT, but also works with keymod. I don't know. I don't think keymod works with MLAT though. But yeah, is it keymod? Yeah, I don't think keymod works with MLAT, but I think MLAT can work with the keymod. Of course, it's a little bit more annoying, and if you have to put it on and off all the time, you should probably buy a keymod. And they buy a keymod mount, already with the mount and the flashlight, especially for keymod. So if you need to, but this one is this one's come with the blade, so it's it is what it is. But yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.